Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today here I have with me my niece Daphne. She has her own YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it down below. Go ahead, like, subscribe, take a look at her video. Then she's gonna walk me through how to make slime. Okay, so we have with us glue. What else do we have with us?
We have shaving cream
Contact solution
and baking powder.
Okay, so what's our first step?
We pour in the glue.
Okay. Alright, so it's time to go in with our hands. Let's see how messy that's gonna be because it's not gonna be pretty.
Oh, I think this makes it like a huevito.
So you're telling me now that we should not use it?
Yeah, you could use it, but
You shouldn't. So I'm going in with my hands, right?
go for it.
Oh, I hate this part. I said I was never ever gonna do this again. It's not a fun process.
Make it work.
¿Mande?
Womp womp womp. You're gonna come mad for watching, but this is a fail.
Man, we're not posting this.
No, look, it's spilling everywhere.
Yeah, you see that?
Yo no soy.
My mom. You're watching. Mine's not. Hooray, Daphne! I believe in you! Bravo!
And you know it's ready once it starts like cleaning your bowl.
Yeah. Help me, please. Help me. Help.
Okay. That's it.
Okay. After hours and hours and hours of kneading, this is my final result.
Mine's almost done, guys.
I need something. I don't know what I need.
You need everything.
I need to end this video. That's what I need to do. I need Jesus in my life. Okay, what can I add? Or should I just keep kneading? Okay. It's coming up. It's coming along, guys. Okay, what else do I need? It's kind of stuck to my hand now.
You need more of this.
And that's it.
Yeah. And then if it's, yeah, basically.
This is pretty satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. Like cleaning it up like this, I didn't think I was ever gonna get to this point because, gosh. Alright, it's clean.
I'll clean the outside for you.
Daphne, help me.
No. Ya no lo pongas en la mesa. Ya no.
So fine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think if you put baking powder on that, come on.
Alright, put some
Oh yeah, you need baking powder.
slime. Mi mamá me va a regañar.
Could you? Is that gonna too?
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Is that mine too?
What? This one's wrong.
No, the one that you have?
Yeah.
So, take a look at you. So this is going to conclude our video.
Yeah.
This was an epic fail on my part. Look at me. Clearly, I can't manage to make slime. On the other hand, my niece Daphne is great. This is my slime, if anything. And there's like spoon in here. It was a disaster. It was a disaster. Epic fail. I am not doing this ever again. I ruined this tablecloth. I ruined the floor. Everything. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out her channel. I'm gonna link it down below. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. She's gonna be making a lot more amazing slime videos. She's expert at this. She knows what she's doing. Look at me. Hot mess. This is how not to make slime. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Alright, put